for butterfly. The baby butterfly is called a caterpillar. E is for elephant.
Sorry, you forgot.
You forgot. C is for cat. The baby cat is called a kitten. D is for duck. The baby duck is called a duckling. What's this?
It's a duck.
What's this?
Duckling.
A duckling. E is for elephant. The baby elephant is called a infant.
No, cow.
The baby elephant is called a cow. F is for frog. The baby frog is called a
Tadpole.
tadpole. G is for goat. The baby goat is called a
Kid.
kid. H is for hamster. The baby hamster is called a
Puppies. Pups.
pups. I is for iguana. The baby iguana is called a
Hatchling.
hatchling. What's this?
That's an iguana.
What's this?
That's an iguana also.
What's this?
Read.
What's this, Mama? This one?
What's a jellyfish?
Jellyfish.
Okay.
Oh, what's this fish?
That's a clam.
Round.
Clam.
Oh, what's this?
I don't know.
That's a shell.
That's a shell. Alright.
This
J is
shell.
for
jellyfish.
a baby jellyfish is called a
Emo.
Ephina.
Ephina.
Ephina. Okay. That's happy.
The baby K is for kangaroo. The baby kangaroo is called a
Joey.
Joey. No.
Yes, it's called a joey.
No. It's going to the zoo. How about you? You come to going to the zoo. Hoo.
Oh, this one naman.
M is for monkey. The baby monkey is called a
An infant. Oh, don't